Hi everyone, it's Sir Fadrik and welcome back to our last adventure this year. And Merry Christmas for anyone not celebrating, Happy Holiday. I loved this weekend. It was a bit chilly, so I stayed inside, binge watching The Witcher, but I didn't watch the last episode, so no spoilers everyone please. And I'm saving it for the last day of this year. Also, I programmed the shit out of my game, and I was planning to finish the game before this year end, but I got some new cool ideas I want to implement in it, so I want to really spend some time polishing the game and make it worth playing, and focus more on exploration rather than just mining and selling stuff. So if everything goes as planned, the game will drop in the first couple of weeks in the new year. I always do art, but I want to spend some extra effort on this game, especially to make a step better than my usual programming art. Because it's kind of boring to be exact, but I want to add some animation, some colors. I will see what I figure out. Of course, I want to add some post effects in camera. I want to check them out and see if they really work in this game. But now let's get started in the current devlog. I started this time by creating the main gameplay mechanic, and it's the cycles. If you haven't watched the last video about the game design of this current game, the cycle of this game is all about limiting the time of player that he can spend under the ground and add the roguelike element to the mix. The player have to go up and down, saving the game and add some progress to the statue of his love. The cycle was simple to implement, plus the save and load function is now working. We can see the timer at top right corner of the screen going down, and the player have to finish and ascend to the surface before that timer goes away, and the mine will simply collapse. After adding the cycle timer, I went on cleaning the code a bit, which improved the optimization of the game. But now it was time to finally add the level manager. And because the robot has equipment, he can upgrade them of course, and this will make the work a lot faster and better. And he can upgrade his part and his base by making the robot drill and trucks move faster, also make the smelter bend the ore more efficiency, and add the market ship so the player can sell at much better deals. And I added color depending on the level of the tools, which start from stock items to common, uncommon, rare, epic and legendary. Now, to make the player able to upgrade himself, I didn't want to add the generic market panel, so you open it, buy stuff, close it. I wanted to add it and implement it into the gameplay, so he can buy those upgrades from NPC, and to be exact, nomad NPC. Those NPC will move around the mine in different places each cycle, so that way I can force the player to go outside in the base, explore a bit and fight them, and to buy those upgrades. And of course, each NPC will sell you one type or one upgrade. While naming the NPCs, I said why not to reach out to my knights and see if anyone would like to be a cool NPC in the game. And now we have Yamatron and Zar A1, and our new nomad NPCs that will sell us the player smelter parts and the market ships. And I'm planning to do a lot of this kind of stuff in 2020, so make sure to join us over on our kingdom on Discord, links in the description. And when you enter, our butler will welcome you into the kingdom, take you to the great halls where you can find your guild and meet the other knights. I'm waiting you there and everyone else. But now creating the NPC code was fairly simple, as well as adding some UI so you can easily talk to the NPC and buy stuff from them. Sadly, this time I was not able to do any art because the programming took way too long to finish, but I'm proud in what I have done. And I had a crazy lot of ideas to implement for the next year. For example, I want to add some NPC AI that will spawn and give you quests to complete and then give you a boost after. It will be cool to exploit and use to make mine faster or make the cycle shorter. In addition of some global time limit to make the gameplay shorter but more fun. And I'm dumping the idea of merging ingots. I tried it out, it didn't seem that fun and don't contribute to the overhaul of the game, which means I may remove the second storage system and leave just one storage. A lot of cool ideas is coming and I'm looking forward to all of it. If you made it this far, consider subscribing, and I'm looking forward to hear any feedback about my game and my channel. Bad or good, I welcome them all. In the end, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and join our kingdom over on Discord. See you all in the next year on new adventures.